everybody, welcome back to the Night Brothers toy review. Today we got the Easter egg toy set from SGILE. I will leave the description I will leave the link in the description below. It's on Amazon. If y'all like it, please buy it. Okay, it's time to unbox. Unbox. Yeah, the Easter. Hello everybody, so this is how it looks unboxed. And right now, I'm going to hide the eggs and the Night Brothers have to find it.
Me too.
Okay, so the Night Brothers is turned around and they are covering their eyes while I go hide it. Alright, you boys, it's time to go search. Okay, Nathaniel got one. Khalil got one. Nathaniel got 3. Khalil, find some more. Nathaniel got 4. Khalil got 2. Nathaniel got 5. Khalil still got 2. Okay, Nathaniel got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes, I'm going to give Khalil an extra one.
Oh, that's so sweet. Nathaniel gave Khalil 1. It's still some more hidden, y'all. It's a total of 12 eggs.
Oh, no.
Go find the rest.
Oh, I see.
Khalil, wait. Nathaniel found another one. Khalil found another one. Yay! So Nathaniel got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And Khalil got 1, 2, 3, 4.
Actually, one more is missing.
One more is missing, you guys. What egg you got, Nathaniel?
I got this. And I got this.
You got a pickup car.
Pac-Man.
Got Pac-Man.
Pac-Man.
Khalil got 2 police cars and a pickup car. And Khalil got another pickup car.
For this, I got the fire car. Fire truck.
You got the fire truck? Let me see. Let me see. Yay!
I'll get the fire truck. I'll get the fire truck.
Okay, what else more you got, Nathaniel? You got another fire truck.
But this is the fake one.
It's no fake one.
This is the fake one.
No, it's not. That's the car fire truck. There's cars fire trucks. And there's trucks fire trucks. Okay, what's the other one?
Oh, the fire truck. Okay. We got to keep the eggs that we got.
Nathaniel, which more do you have?
Mom, I'll get the fire.
Oh, you got another pickup truck? Yay!
I'll get the
Okay,
fire truck.
Khalil. Which one is that one?
Police car.
Yeah.
But it has a shooter.
Oh, that's a police armor truck. Yay! It gets to blow up people.
I will get you.
That's cute.
Another is a car.
That's an ambulance. A Jeep, I think.
We got a stick.
Okay, y'all gonna play with it. Go ahead, play with it.
Now put all the eggs right here.
Go ahead, play with the cars.
That was easy. With the car one is going
Wee!
Hello. Pew 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 pew. I'm gonna destroy the boat. Pew 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 pew. Oh no! Oh no! The bullets have destroyed. Oh no! We have was the other one. I'm gonna put this on fire. I will put out the fire. Pew! Yay! I put out the fire. Guys, I put out the fire. I got the fire out. Now let's put it back up. Let's play hide and seek together. Let's play hide and seek with the cars. Everybody, we will play hide and seek. Gotta hide in one of these eggs. We gotta hide these eggs. Yes, we do. We hide in one of these eggs. Here go, Daddy. No, I don't want them. No more. I don't want no more. Let's go hide in one of these eggs. We're gonna play hide and seek, guys. And this is gonna be reverse. I do. Play hide and seek. Where are all the cars going?
You see all the amazing ways you can play with the eggs. Your kids will have a lot of fun. Boys and girls, tell your parents that you want these Easter eggs.
They're going to hide. I'm going to hide right here. I'm going to hide right here. I'm going right here. I'm going to hide right here. I'm going to hide right here. I'm going to hide right here too. Me too. Me too. We all hide at the same place. We like hiding at the same place. You can stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready or not, here I come. You're not here. And then they were here. So I want eggs. 2 eggs. Oh no, he's gonna get my egg out. Oh no, not my eggs. Not my eggs. That's common eggs. Yes. All of them. Common eggs. These common eggs.
What if it's a big dinosaur? What if these are his eggs?
Oh yeah!
Dinosaur eggs.
The dinosaurs are coming out.
Yes, the mommy dinosaur is looking for her dinosaur babies.
These are not dinosaur babies. These are vehicles.
Those are dinosaur vehicle babies. The dinosaur made vehicles. Vehicle babies.
Let's go out of these eggs. Yeah, that's high.
Oh, everybody, guess what? Khalil's birthday is Monday, April 1st. Khalil's birthday is coming up, you guys. Right, Khalil?
Oh, yeah.
Say, I'm going to be 4 years old. Say, 4 years old. No more 3 years old. You're going to be 4 years old. Big boy.
Happen. Your turn to hide. Police is coming after
Okay.
you.
It's time for the color game. Let's name the colors of the eggs. What colors do we have, Nathaniel?
Blue, yellow.
Pac-Man is yellow. The egg is blue.
The egg is blue, but we have to switch the color.
So we got a blue egg, a yellow egg, a green egg, a red egg, another green egg, another blue egg, a yellow egg, and a blue egg. So we got 3 blue eggs. We got 2 yellow eggs. We got 2 red eggs. We got 2 green eggs. Yes, he got blue.
Pac-Man. Let's go. Let's go hunt. I'm gonna find all of these. I'm gonna crush all of them down. I'm gonna crush the eggs down. Throw down the dinosaur's heads.
Baby cars, doo 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 doo. Baby cars, doo 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 doo. Baby cars, doo 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 doo. Baby cars.
No, it's baby car, vroom vroom vroom.
Baby car, vroom vroom vroom. Baby car, vroom vroom vroom. Baby car. Mommy car, vroom vroom. Mommy car, vroom vroom. Mommy car, vroom vroom. Mommy car. Grandma car, vroom vroom. Grandma car, vroom vroom. Grandma car, vroom vroom. Grandma car. Grandpa car, vroom vroom. Grandpa car, vroom vroom. Grandpa car, vroom vroom. Grandpa car. Drive away, vroom vroom. Drive away, vroom vroom. Drive away, vroom vroom. Drive away. Save that last vroom vroom. Save that last vroom vroom. Save that last vroom vroom. Save that last.
Let's go all hide. We gotta hide and we have to hide into a safe bed. Not Khalil's bed, the upper bed. Let's go. Follow me. Wow. Yeah, the upper.
If you go on the website to purchase these, there's also the dinosaur eggs too. So you can purchase the dinosaur eggs and the vehicle eggs. And it also ships very, very fast, especially if you have Prime membership. You could play this game during Easter, like I just did, having the eggs in the hiding places, or you could give them as a party bag supplies. You could put them in a party bag during birthday parties. And let your guests have fun when they go home.
Now we are all here.
Okay, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe to our video. Love y'all. Y'all are amazing. I love all the support that y'all have given us. We made it to almost 300 subscribers, and I hope to continue on. Thank you. Bye.